To pop the first element from an array in JavaScript, you can use one of two different methods. In either case, we're going to want an array, so let r equals an array with 1, 2, and 3. For the first method, if we're being literal and you must use pop, there's no way to do it directly, as pop only ever removes the last element. But, seeing as I'm doing this video, there's an indirect way to do it. If pop removes the last element, make the first element the last by reversing the array. So, r.reverse. Then, pop the now last element, r.pop. Last, reverse the array again, so it is back to where we started. So, r.reverse. Let's print r out after all this, so console.log r. If we run the code, we will see we've effectively popped the last element. Now, if the pop in your query is not literal and is just a synonym for wanting to remove the first element of the array, there is a much simpler method. Let's get rid of everything except the original array and the printout. If you just do r.shift, let's run this code and see what happens. This also pops the first element, but it's a lot more efficient and a lot less steps. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.